Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about nested if statement in Java. So here you can able to see the syntax, simple syntax. Here we have a keyword that is if. If is a keyword in Java. So here we have an expression or condition. If this condition is true, it will go inside the if. Again, it will go to execute this statement. Again, after the statement, there is a condition, one more condition. So that is belongs to one more if condition. Okay. If again, if this condition is true, it will going to execute the code. After executing, just it will come outside the nested if. Again, if any statement if you provide here, it will going to execute. Otherwise, directly it will comes out. So when you see the structure of this particular syntax in the flowchart, you can able to see this is our starting point. Again, we have a condition like this. We can able to see this condition like this. We have a condition. If this condition is true, it will execute this code. Again, it will go inside again. Again, you will going to find one more if. Again, if this condition is true, again, it will going to execute this code. Again, finally, it will going to come outside. Again, finally, it will going to terminate. Nothing but come outside is nothing but it will going to come out from the nested if. Again, it will going to terminate. Again, suppose think like that. If this condition is false, it will going to be terminated from the nested if. Again, it will come to the main if, nothing but outer if. Again, suppose think like that. If this condition is false, directly it will come to the outer loop. You can able to see this one, outer loop. Again, finally, it will going to be terminated here. This is how the process will going to happen. We will going to see in the programming this one. Let's see this. So we'll going to write a program here. So first what I will do, I will going to take a condition, such a condition that, so if I will going to donate the blood, if your age is more than 20, you can able to donate the blood. Again, still I will going to put the condition, if your weight is more than 60, then you can able to provide the blood like that. I will going to put the condition. Nothing but in the block, I will going to provide one more condition. If that condition satisfies, you will going to execute the final thing, otherwise no. So like that. See here I will going to say integer. So I will going to take age. I will going to provide the age is something like 21. If your age is 21, then you can able to provide the blood. Otherwise no, you cannot able to donate the blood. That is what exactly my intention is here. Here I will going to say again integer weight. I will going to take the weight is equal to something like 70 or 65, maximum 65. More than 65 you can able to provide the blood, right? 65 will provide. So now actual condition starts now. So I will going to apply these two conditions in this particular if statement. If I will say age is greater than 20. If age is greater than 20, I will say if age is greater than 20, he can donate the blood. So that is what my first condition. For that, what I will do. Just a moment. Okay. So if age is greater than 20, you can able to provide the blood. But still what I will go to do, I will go to put one more if condition here. I will say that if your weight is greater than, okay, 60, then you can able to provide the, sorry, it's spelling mistake. So if your weight is greater than 60, then you can able to provide the blood. Nothing but you can able to donate the blood. That is what my intention is very clear here. SYS. So I will say here something different. So system control dot. Again, you're going to get out. So here control dot again println. That's it. Enter. Okay. Here I will say something like you can donate you can donate the blood. Okay, so this is my condition here. So here you can able to see if age is 21, 21 is greater than 20, that's why he is eligible. So that's why you will go inside again. You will want to check his weight. So weight is what? 65. 65 is greater than 60. So that's why you can able to donate the blood. Suppose here only if weight is okay. Suppose think like that 50. Okay, so what happens that time? I will going to say something like this. You are underweight. I will going to say here. I will going to place it. If his age is below 60, I will say you are underweight. You are underweight. So now first we will going to write this one. So first we will going to execute this one. So go here, run it. Okay, so I will going to run the nested main here. Let's see. I taken the value 21 for age, again 65 for weight. It's running. Wait a minute. Now you can able to see we can donate the bed because the reason is very simple here. So we have taken the value, age value is 21. That's why it's true. 21 is greater than 20. True. Come inside. Go to the nested if. Here weight is 65 is greater than 60. That's why it says that you can donate the blood. So what I will going to do? I will go to make 60 here. See here. I will go to make 60. It says that you are underweight like that. Okay. Let me run this program. Takes some time. It takes some time to build weight. You can see here. So you are underweight. Why? Because I have taken the value 60. Basically 60 is not greater than 60. Okay, that's why it says that you are underweight. You cannot able to donate the blood. That is the reason. So suppose what I will going to do, I will going to mention something like here. Suppose I will going to mention 20. Okay, my age is think like that 19 I will want to provide. So directly what happens, it will not going to run here. So directly this condition is false. Directly it will comes out of the main if itself. So that is what exactly it will going to happen. So see, you can able to see nothing is printing here. Okay, so for that what I will going to do here. So this is if, this block is if, again this is belongs to else block. So this is belongs to if block. So here I will say something like this. You are outside the if, I will say you outside the if, I will say here outside the main if, outside the if. That's it. So just run this, you will understand now. So it is taking some time, I know. So it's, you can able to see outside the if. This is how we will want to implement the nested if, very simple way. Thank you. Please share and subscribe. Thank you very much.